You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 167/4. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Break up the fraction. Simplify the fraction. Group like terms. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract x from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 74 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 2. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 167/4.